Well, welcome back, friends. Today I want to tackle something that I've been putting off for a while now. That's cleaning and organizing my house. Ever since Oliver came, I've been doing bits and pieces here and there, but there's just a lot right now that's been piling up and needs to get done. So that's what I want to focus on doing today. And my goal isn't to get everything that I want to accomplish, just realistically with where we're at in life, how often Oliver needs to eat. I just know that I'm not going to be able to accomplish that. But I've written out a list of some of the top things that I would really love to get done. That's what I want to work on right now. So I want to vacuum and mop our floors because I don't even know when the last time is that I did that. I want to organize the closet in the nursery. I did the dresser the other day, which was amazing. Now I want to tackle the closet. I also want to clean our bedroom mirror. There's a desk I want to list on Marketplace. Wipe down our kitchen cabinets because they're gross right now. Organize the laundry room, and then if we have time, clean the bathroom. And obviously there's other things that I would love to get to, but I'm just trying to be realistic. I think this is a good kind of list of things that I can hopefully get done either today or over the next couple of days. So let's go ahead and get started now. Oliver is currently napping, which gives us a bit of time to get some things done. So let's start off with tackling the floors because that's kind of my number one priority. Then we can get to the rest after that. So step one, I'm going to vacuum the floors, pick up all the little loose bits and pieces, and then we'll go in and mop. So quick pause on the floors. The living room is looking a little bit messy right now, so I'm just gonna take a second, tidy that up, and then also wipe down the coffee table because that's looking a bit gross. Alright, time to mop. I just need to refill the cleaner in this. So what I'm going to do is just use this multi-surface floor concentrate in the scent lemon and mint. I think you just dump it in and then add 20 ounces of water. So let's do that. There's like a fill here line on the mop. We'll just fill it to that point. Okay. Looks good. And then I think we just need to put the lid back on and maybe swirl it around a little bit just to let it dissolve. There we go. Let's go ahead and start mopping. I'll finish with the floors. We'll go ahead and check that off. I've kind of mopped myself into a corner strategically because I wanted to end here in the nursery, because next what I want to do is tackle the closet in here. This space has kind of become a dumping ground for us of things that Oliver hasn't grown into yet, some things that he's grown out of, and then also just things that I didn't know where to put them. So I want to just do some major organization of this space and clean it out. I don't think it's going to be too hard, at least I hope not, but it is definitely one of those things that taking the time to organize it is just going to make the space so much more functional, and I'll just know where everything is rather than the current situation of me just having to like rummage around and make even more of a mess whenever I go to find something in here. So I realize this looks like a mess, but we are making progress. I've got Oliver's teethers in here, and then I put all of his toys into that fox bin, and now I'm just going through and sorting everything else. I did realize that I don't think Oliver is ever going to get to this unopened box of diapers, so I'm probably going to try returning that to, I think I got it at Target, and we'll swap that out for the next size because Oliver is almost out of size 1 diapers already, which is crazy. But let's, just finish organizing and tackling all of this, and then I will give you a tour of the cleaned out closet. So it's a bit later. We had a couple of interruptions for baby, but he's back happy and sleeping now. So let me give you a little tour of how we ended up organizing this closet. I have to say it is looking so much better. So really the only thing that hasn't changed is all of Oliver's clothing is still hung up right here. Then in this basket I put some of the just kind of like mom supplies that I have backups of. So diaper creams, things along those lines. Right here is clothing and things that Oliver has already grown out of. So I just figured it would be easiest to keep those there. In here I have all of the teethers for Oliver. He doesn't need them yet, but in a couple months they'll come in handy. I'm actually planning on selling that breastfeeding pillow because I didn't love it, but it's there for now. Then right here I have all of the toys we're currently playing with, and then some toys that he'll grow into, and there, and then all of his stuffed animals, and just kind of like softer textile-y things are in there. I've got the travel bag for my breast pump. All of our books are in here. You can see we got Peter Rabbit. And then just down here we have all of the shoes that he'll probably start fitting in the next few months to, I think some of them he might fit when he's closer to 2. And then in this basket I've just got all of his clothes, and then also a picture frame that I need to get a picture printed out for. And then right here we just have our travel crib and then the slumber pod. So I think that setup should work pretty well, and for sure it's going to be better than having everything just piled in there at random. The one thing I did find was the little mobile that goes with our changing pad, and now that Oliver is old enough to actually look up and see things, I think that this will be a fun little distraction for him while he's getting changed. And it's just a little sun and a mirror. That's another project that we can check off our list, but both of those last things took quite a while to do. So what I'm hoping for now is just to make some faster progress and to kind of get the ball rolling a little bit. So here in the bedroom, and I want to spend some time cleaning our mirror. It's just got fingerprints, dust, and all that all over it right now. So I want to do that. And then also, I used to have a desk in this room, but since kind of shuffling furniture around from creating the nursery, everything with Oliver, all of that, I no longer really have space in here for it. So planning to sell it. I want to list that on Marketplace. So let's do those two things right now. Hopefully it'll go pretty quick. I'm just going to use my glass spray here and a microfiber cloth to clean the mirror. This is just a refillable spray that I use little cleaning tablets in. That is the mirror done. Let's tackle this desk. So we've got the desk listed, and now I feel like we're actually starting to make some progress on our to-do list. We can check off the bedroom mirror, listing the desk on Marketplace. So we're more than halfway through, which is great. Next up, I want to head over to the kitchen and wipe down the cabinets. They've literally just got months worth of food residue on them at this point. It's just one of those things that really, really bugs me, but that isn't a part of my daily routine for wiping down the kitchen. And so it's just been piling up. So we're gonna take care of that next. I've got my all-purpose cleaner, literally the same deal as my glass cleaning spray, just this one's an all-purpose cleaner. I labeled them so I could tell them apart. And we're going to wipe down the cabinets. Probably going to do the appliances too, because there's a lot of streaks and fingerprints on them. And then I think I might also do just like a deeper clean of the counters as well, because I do wipe them down regularly, but they could probably use a deeper clean. Oh, and let's also put away the clean dishes in the sink. Had to take a little break to feed Oliver. He's with his dad now, but the kitchen is in good shape, so we can check that off. Next, I want to tackle the laundry room. There's just a lot going on in here right now. It is super messy, not very organized. So let's take some time, go through, try to bring some order to the chaos that is this space. One of the biggest categories of things that I'm finding in here is lots of faux florals. Most of these are from Christmas, but some are from the fall as well. So want to find a proper home for these that isn't just on the washer or dryer. And then there's also some things that I'm wanting to sell as well. So I think maybe we can put those into a box or something and then put a date on the calendar to actually go ahead and list them. perfect. There is still a pile of stuff in the corner here that I want to sell and donate. I just don't have time to go through, list everything, and kind of sort through it all right now. So I have a reminder set on my phone. We're going to tackle that on Saturday. That's just the thing I'm learning about being a new parent, is you have to break things up a lot more, but apart from that, the space is looking so much better. Got all the cleaning supplies stashed and hung up here. All of the diapers are neatly stacked, and then I also pulled out an extra pack of size 1 diapers that I'm going to try exchanging. A couple just household maintenance things in that corner. Finally, we have only laundry products on top of the washer and dryer, which is a huge win. Got some just little extra, what are those called? Filters over there, and then here's my pile of things that I need to go through to sell and to donate. So with that done, that leaves us with just one space left that I want to get to, and that's to clean our bathroom. And realistically, before Oliver needs to eat next, I don't think I'm going to have time to clean the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is start with the parts of the bathroom that most need to be done, and then we'll just kind of see how much we're able to accomplish and call it a day at that point. So normally when it comes to cleaning, I'm a clean from top to bottom type of person. You just work your way down. However, here in the bathroom, the two dirtiest areas are the floors, which really need a good cleaning, and the mirror, which it's so streaky right now that you can probably even see it in the camera. So I'm just gonna start with those two tasks first, and then we'll see. Well, I got the mirror done, but I'm not sure if you can hear him in the background, but Oliver just woke up. He needs to eat, so I'm going to feed him, and then we've got plans this evening. So this bathroom is just gonna have to wait for another time. Hopefully I'll be able to get to it tomorrow, and if I do, I will include the footage for that at the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me as we cleaned and organized my house. You know, obviously cleaning and productivity, it just looks different when you have a newborn, and there are times when it can be frustrating or discouraging by just how much longer it feels like it takes to get even the smallest things done. But whenever I have one of those moments, and I'm about to go have one of them now, I love just to look at my child, to look at Oliver, and just be reminded of how worth it he is, and just how insignificant things like cleaning, you know, important as they are, they really aren't that significant in the grand scheme of things. So it's just always such a good reminder. Now I'm going to head off and take care of Oliver, so I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.